All right, some breaking news now coming in from West Bengal. The main perpetrator of the gang rape of a second-year medical student in West Bengal's Durgapur was identified as one Firdaus Sheikh, while 5 others were named as co-accused. The 5 co-accused include the survivor's boyfriend and classmate. The survivor's lawyer has said that the classmate is the main conspirator or mastermind of this gang rape incident. Information on the accused was read out as part of the test identification parade that took place in the court. The medical student from Odisha was allegedly gang raped on the 10th of October in a forested area outside the private medical college and hospital after she had gone out with her friend there.
টিআই প্যারেড হয়েছিল 24 তারিখে। সেই টিআই প্যারেডের আজকে কি ছিল আউটকাম সেটা আমরা কোর্টের কাছে দেখলাম, কোর্টের কাছে প্রেয়ার করলাম যে টিআই প্যারেড যেটা হয়েছে সেই টিআই প্যারেডে কি আছে সেটা আমাদেরকে দেখানো হোক, এবং পুলিশ অলরেডি সেই টিআই প্যারেডের কপি নিয়ে গেছে ফর দি সেক অফ দি ইনভেস্টিগেশন। তো জয় সাহেব বললো আপনারা দেখতে পারেন, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। টিআই প্যারেড যা দেখলাম তার থেকে শেখ ফিরদৌস মানে যিনি অ্যাকচুয়ালি রেপটা করেছিলেন সেটাও লেখা আছে, আর তার সাথে সাথে বাকি যারা ছিল যারা ইকুয়ালি রেসপন্সিবল ফর দিস অফেন্স তাদেরকেও আইডেন্টিফাই মেয়েটি করেছে। কাছাকাছি এখানে যা শাস্তি হবে 6 জনের সমান শাস্তি হবে। 31 তারিখে ডেট আছে। জয় সাহেবের বক্তব্য যে
All right, Shrikanta Majumdar joins us on the phone line, and your reaction to these developments of all the accused being named there. There were villagers outside of that medical college, including the friend of the medical student.
It's this incident shook whole West Bengal, that one after one this kind of rape are happening, and now IT parade has been organized, and I think now charge sheet has been submitted. But the thing is that from the starting point, several stories was framed. Several stories were framed by the police and some media of West Bengal also, whether it is a rape or it is a consensus sex like that. And now I think the most important thing is that the main culprit, all these culprits should be punished properly. That should be confirmed by the administration.
All right, and there was some doubts created, though the other revelation has been the fact that the student's own friend was involved, who she went out of the college with, and he has been named as one of the main accused.
Yes, that guy is very that guy's father is very close to TMC leader of North Malda Lok Sabha and the Malda district also, and politically he was very well connected. So I don't know, this may be the reason, and that's why the police or media tried to frame a different kind of story in this regard. And police later on, when the agitation has been started by the local BJP leadership and the state leadership, then police actually investigated it properly, and he has been considered as one of the main conspirator of this rape case.
Main conspirator of the rape case. We also have Agnimitra Paul joining us on the phone line, and your reaction to this development in this horrific crime, a gang rape, and the fact that it was indeed a gang rape and all the accused have been identified. All right, let's take a look at
तृणमूल का हर टाइम का साजिश है कि असल जो बात है, जो सच्चाई है, उसको दबा देना, और उसमें अगर तृणमूल का कैडर इन्वॉल्व्ड है तो वो तो जरूर से दबाना चाहिए। आज लड़की बोल रही है कि टीआई परेड में एक दूसरा लड़का जो उधर मौजूद थे वो धर्षण किए हैं, लेकिन तृणमूल के सोशल मीडिया, तृणमूल के आईटी सेल को पता चल गया है कि नहीं, तृणमूल का कैडर जो था जिसको लड़की पहचाना टीआई परेड में, उसका तथ्य सामने ना आके उसका बॉयफ्रेंड को फंसा दिया जाए। और इसमें आप भरोसा नहीं कर पाएंगे कि पुलिस क्या करेंगे, पुलिस सच्चाई निकालेंगे, इसका कोई भरोसा नहीं। जो तृणमूल बोलेगा, जो तृणमूल दुर्गापुर का टीएमसी का जो माहौल है, जो आधिकारिक है, जो नेता नेत्री है, जो बोलेगा, ममता बनर्जी जो बोलेगा वही पुलिस करेगा। तो सच्चाई निकालने का कोई रास्ता नहीं, जिसके लिए बेटी जो धर्षित हुआ है उसका पिताजी बोला है हम लोग बंगाल और नहीं आएंगे, हम लोग बेटी को उड़ीसा लेकर जा रहे हैं।
All right, let's go across to Shreyashi now for more on this. And Shreyashi, so a twist in this entire matter where initially, there were questions raised regarding whether it was indeed a gang rape. Now the accused have all been identified. The BJP alleging that the student, the friend who was, is also now one of the accused, is connected to the Trinamool Congress.
Well, of course, the TI parade is a crucial part of the investigation where the victim was taken to the jail and to identify the 6 who have been arrested in this particular case, including her classmate and companion. Now, what happened during the TI, the victim's counsel has informed on camera that the victim has identified the prime accused, who is a local villager. Now, this entire narrative that she had gone in to the forest with her companion and something had gone wrong there, and it was a personal tiff that had then later changed into a rape case and been informed to the police, then falls flat because the counsel has said that he has gone through the report, the TI report, which also a copy is there with the police, where the victim has identified a 23-year-old local Firdaus Sheikh from Durgapur as the prime accused. But the lawyer has also informed the other 5 accused persons, including the girl's classmate, will be equally charged for rape because of the severity of this crime. And in such cases, especially in rape cases, even if you are not directly involved, but you play a role in shielding the perpetrators or being a witness to such a crime and not informing the police or stopping the crime, then you are equally guilty and held for this particular incident. So now what has happened is that the local villager, a 23-year-old Firdaus Sheikh, is the prime accused in the case. It's not the companion who she had stepped out after dinner from her campus in Durgapur, but it is also the evidence that the police have gathered which has matched the TI parade. Now the next hearing is on the 31st of October, and in the meantime, if the police files a charge sheet in this case, then the trial will begin. Otherwise, of course, the accused persons can move for bail and the judge will take a decision at that point. But the latest that's coming in, it's a local who has committed this offence where a medical student from Odisha was targeted in a forested area right next to her campus and was brutally raped. The police has also confirmed that only one person has physically, sexually assaulted this victim during a press conference when this was in the news. And now that has been also matched with the TI parade, where the victim has identified the main perpetrator who had raped her on the 11th of October near her campus. And of course, the investigations still carry on.
All right, so it was one perpetrator, but a group of men who were, involved in the entire matter. Thanks so much, Shreyashi, for joining us with all those details.